Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF because today we are talking about a modern coin that most people overlook, but serious collectors never ignore. Take a close look at the 2015 Jefferson Nickel. At first glance, it's just another 5-cent piece. You've seen thousands of them. Maybe you've spent them without even thinking. But for experienced collectors, especially those who have been around coins for decades, this piece represents something deeper: condition, mint precision, and the modern era of American coinage. The D mint mark means this coin was struck at the Denver Mint. Denver has produced billions of nickels over the years, but not all are created equal. In 2015, production numbers were strong, and many people assume that means these coins can't be valuable. That assumption is exactly why some high-grade examples quietly slip through circulation and later shock the market. The obverse features the strong, forward-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson, a design introduced in 2006 as a modern update to the classic nickel. The reverse displays his historic home, Monticello, a symbol that has been part of the nickel's identity for generations. For collectors aged 55 to 65 and beyond, this design connects the past and the present. You remember the older side-profile portrait. You saw the design changes over time. And now, you're witnessing how even modern coins can become sleepers in the hobby. The 2015 D-nickel is composed of 75% copper and 25% nickel, the same alloy used since 1946. It weighs 5 grams and has a plain edge. Nothing flashy, nothing dramatic. But here is where experience matters. Modern nickels often suffer from weak strikes, dull luster, and contact marks straight from mint bags. Finding one with blazing luster, razor-sharp steps on Monticello, and virtually no surface marks is not as easy as people think. Collectors pay close attention to what's called full steps. When the steps at the base of Monticello are fully visible and sharply defined, the coin becomes far more desirable. Many 2015 D-nickels do not show complete step detail due to strike pressure and die wear. That means a true full steps example in pristine condition stands out immediately. Now let's talk about grade. In circulated condition, the 2015 D-nickel is worth face value. But that is not what serious collectors are searching for. In mint state grades like MS66 or MS67, the population drops significantly. Coins graded at the very top by professional grading services become registry competitors' targets. And when registry collectors compete, prices climb. Another factor is preservation. Many people assume newer coins are easy to find in perfect shape. But think about how coins are handled today. They're dumped into bags, rolled by machines, transported in bulk, and handled carelessly. Small nicks and scratches happen immediately. That is why a flawless example becomes special over time. Errors also add excitement. Off-center strikes, die cracks, double dies, and strike-through errors occasionally appear in modern issues. While rare, they do exist. A dramatic error on a 2015 D-nickel could multiply its value many times over face value. The key is knowledge and patience, something seasoned collectors understand better than anyone. For viewers in the 55 to 65 age group, you have an advantage. You grew up checking pocket change. You remember when silver coins were still circulating. You've seen how common coins suddenly became valuable decades later. The 2015 D-nickel might not be silver, but condition rarity is the new frontier in modern coin collecting. When examining your coin, use proper lighting. Tilt it slowly. Look at Jefferson's cheek and jaw for marks. Inspect Monticello's steps carefully. Check for strong luster that cartwheels under light. A coin that looks ordinary at first may reveal exceptional quality under closer inspection. Storage also matters. If you find a sharp example, avoid touching the surfaces. Hold it by the edges. Place it in a protective holder. Even small friction can reduce its grade. High-grade modern coins demand careful handling. Another overlooked detail is strike sharpness on the lettering. Look at I in God we trust and liberty. Crisp, bold letters are a sign of a strong strike. Weak letters may indicate die fatigue. Strong strikes often correlate with better overall eye appeal. The coin market today is very different from 30 or 40 years ago. Online auctions, grading services, and registry competition have created demand for the finest known examples of even common dates. That means a coin you can still find in rolls today could one day become surprisingly valuable, especially if preserved in top condition. Many collectors focus only on older coins, but smart collectors understand that tomorrow's rarities are hiding in today's pocket change. The 2015 Jefferson Nickel is a reminder that age alone does not determine value. Scarcity and top condition, eye appeal, and collector demand are what truly drive prices. Imagine searching through a roll of nickels and finding one with mirror-like luster, no visible marks, and full step detail. Most people would overlook it, but you wouldn't. Experience teaches you that patience pays off. Coin collecting is not just about money. It's about history, discipline, and the thrill of discovery. Each coin tells a story of design, production, and survival. The 2015 nickel represents modern minting at a time when quality control and mass production intersect in fascinating ways. If you already own rolls from 2015, it may be worth revisiting them. Check carefully. Compare multiple coins side by side. The best example will stand out once you train your eye. And remember, condition is everything. A difference of one grade point can mean a dramatic jump in value. That is why professional grading exists to separate ordinary from exceptional. Most 2015 nickels will remain worth 5 cents. But the finest known examples, especially those with exceptional strike and preservation, can command serious attention from advanced collectors. Before you dismiss that nickel in your drawer, take another look. The modern era still has treasures waiting to be recognized. And if you happen to own a top-condition, high-grade, standout example of the 2015 Jefferson Nickel, its value can reach up to $6,676.